Hey.
G'day, Lockie and Stu Enterprises. Yep. Nah. No. I'm glad you called. Yeah. Oh, no worries. It's the least I could do, mate. Yeah. Not if I see you first.
Tell him I said hi.
Yeah, Stu says hi. Yeah. Catcha. Later. Yeah, anytime. Yep, okay. Thanks for your call. Ciao now. Anytime. Okay.
Who is that?
Wrong number.
Good morning, my name is Stephen and this is my wife Julie and my son Luke. We were just in your neighbourhood and we thought we'd drop by and share with you the good news and the secrets of the Force.
You guys are Jedis, right?
Yes we are, sir, and we'd like to share with you the secrets of the universe.
No, I'm sick of you people coming around here all the time trying to convert everyone to your crazy religion.
You sure you just wouldn't like one of our DVDs?
Look, I'm a Trekkie. I was raised a Trekkie and I don't believe in the Force. So take your lightsaber and jam it up your...
Honey, you've got to stop doing that or we'll never get any new members.
In a city ravaged by crime, drugs and prostitution, one man has decided to dress in tight spandex and wear a silly hat.
Hi, I'm Banana Man. Can't talk now, got a split.
Banana Man. Part man, part banana.
Hurry up!
Just a minute.
We're gonna be late!
Coming.
Ah, no! You can't wear that. It's awful. I'm not going anywhere with you dressed like that.
Yeah,
No.
you reckon too much?
Oh, yeah. Get it off. Get it off.
Okay, just a minute.
Hurry up. Do you know, is that Tony guy you like going tonight?
Tony's gonna be there.
Well, you definitely don't want to wear that then.
He likes different girls.
Yeah, well, not that different. That's ridiculous.
Anyway, I've got something really hot.
Ah, heaps better. Yeah, that is hot. That is totally hot.
You reckon?
Yeah, you look great.
Oh, thank you.
Yep, Tony's going to love it.
Okay.
Awesome, let's go. This is going to be fun.
Oh, ladies' night.
Hey, do you want to walk or ride?
Let's ride.
Okay, great. Giddy up. Giddy up.
Okay. Breathing right up through that stretch. Right up through the floor. Right up through your rectum. Your rectum, Sky. Okay, excellent. So now we're going to clear those chakras. We're going to focus on the heart chakra. The heart chakra, Sky. Okay, I'm not feeling any love. I should be overwhelmed with love and I'm just not getting it. That's better. Okay, we're going to take that energy, and we're going to use that energy to paint the room purple. Okay, painting the floor, painting the walls, painting the ceiling. Okay, what's this? What's this, Ivan? I asked for purple. That's aubergine. Bit of respect, please.
Do you, Tanya, take Phil to be your life partner, to love and to cherish for as long as...
Hi, I'm Banana Man. Want to slip on my peel?
Oh,
Eh?
what time is it?
Busy o'clock. Eh? Hey, Lemmy.
Yeah.
Lemmy.
Sure.
Allow et moi.
Yeah, okay. G'day, Lockie Stew Enterprises. Speaking. They want to speak to the boss.
What do you mean you're the boss?
Excuse me. Look, I don't make the rules.
Yeah, I know.
Look, I don't make the rules.
Yeah. Oh, no.
Yeah. So what do you say when you answer the phone?
G'day, Lockie and Stew Enterprises.
Yeah. Lockie's first.
Yeah, that doesn't mean anything.
Yeah, but he does.
Yeah, nah.
Yeah, but he does.
That doesn't mean anything.
Yeah, but he does. Because Alpha, numerically, what does Lockie start with?
L.
Yeah.
L.
Yeah, what letter?
Yeah, L.
What does Stew start with?
C.
No, it's S.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's Lockie first and Stew second.
Aaron.
Huh?
Aaron. Is my middle name. From now on, call me Aaron.
All right, Aaron.
Yeah. So when you answer the phone, what do you say? Oh, g'day, Aaron and Lockie Enterprises.
Aardvark is my middle name. From now on, call me Aardvark. G'day, Aardvark and Aaron Enterprises. Wrong number.
Okay, and today we'd like to welcome a new member. Everybody say hello to Gary.
Hi, Gary.
And Gary, if you'd like to introduce yourself, please.
Hello, my name's Gary, and I'm an idiot. It's been 12 days and 2 hours since my last idiotic episode.
Well done, Gary. And can you tell us what happened?
Well, I was in a coffee shop and suddenly I stood up and started shouting, "Tomato, tomato, tomato!" For no good reason. I just thought it'd be funny.
And was it?
No. It wasn't.
So I caught up with Dan the other day, and it was a bit weird actually. Like, I thought we really hit it off the first time, but it was just a bit awkward.
Hi, I'm Banana Man. Do you find me appealing?